Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've received a Dragy, so we will be testing a little bit of the Dragy. There's some people now behind me. Of course we are at a safe environment to test the Dragy, so that we can give it a little bit of gas. We can test the 0 to 100, 0 to 60, because as you can see I just hit 60 and I've been driving a little bit normal. 18.48 seconds. I've already tested 0 to 100 on this car and it was pretty atrocious. I was about 10 seconds, 10.2 seconds, and they say at the Hyundai itself that it's 9.1, but so far I haven't, I'm not able to hit it. So we will be seeing what are the possibilities and if we can hit it or not. And I hope that the traffic stays pretty much the same as now, because I need some space to hit it, because I have a slow car, as you already knew, because I have a non-turboed one, so it is not that fast. So I need a lot of space to try and hit it. So now we'll try to hit the 0 to 100. Wait, let me reset it. It is the fastest one so far, so that's pretty good. Now we will hit it again. So here we go again, 0 to 100 again. That was a 10.16, so it's 1/10, I think, of 100th of a second slower. And I don't know why actually, but let's try again. Let's try it again. One more time. No, this one was even slower. So I actually really don't know what's going on. Maybe we'll try it again here. I need to find the perfect spot to hit it so that it goes forward, it doesn't slip. So that's pretty hard to find. I think that's at 2,500 RPM. Come on, let's go. Nah. Unfortunate, but I did a pretty nice quarter mile, 16.94, so that is really not that bad. But I'm just trying to get used to the Dragy, so this first video will be pretty bad. I'll be teaching myself how to launch the car forward so that I can provide you with better 0 to 100s. So I'll be making work of that. I'll put a screenshot of this one in the video itself, so that you guys can see what are the targets that I hit. Let me screenshot it, so that will be in the video, so you guys can check it for yourselves. I'll put some more information about a Dragy and what you can do, everything you can do with a Dragy. So like With the Dragy you can also measure the 100 to 0, that's also possible. You can measure a lot of different things. You get a really performance-wise page. Now I'm sure you're seeing it right now. So I'll be showing you everything about it. And I just hope you enjoy it. I will be training myself to be better with the Dragy. I'll be also using the Dragy in the POV drives. So I hope you check them out. I'll put a link to the playlist on the top right on your screen. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you got some tips and tricks to do a better launch to 100, let me know, especially with a front wheel drive car, because this thing just doesn't have grip if I launch it like really aggressively. So I have to play with my clutch and with my pedals to try and make it a little bit better, and mine is heavier than the normal one also, so that's actually pretty bad, but mine looks cooler than the normal one, so it evens it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you thought that was faster or slower. If you have a Dragy, make sure to send me some screens of your times. Love to see it. Show me a picture of your car and the times. I'll maybe feature you in a video, or maybe I'll share it on Instagram if you like a crazy car, because I really like some of the crazy cars that you guys have. So be sure to send them to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.